Guangdong Foster Fluid Technology Company Limited. FSTpipe, founded in 2014, is a national high-tech enterprise that specializes in R&D, production, sales, and installations of fluid pipelines such as compressed air, inert gas, vacuum, tap water, and light particles. FSTpipe is headquartered in Foshan, Guangdong Province, with its business covering all over the world. FSTpipe has more than 100 national patents and currently has pipeline systems of aluminum alloy and stainless steel. FSTpipe has developed its own cloud intelligent control platform and also established the design and construction and installation team that can serve all over the world at any time, truly achieving one-stop service and giving our customers peace of mind. FSTpipe piping, smooth inner surface, perfect airflow, and low pressure drop. The pipe material is light, strong, durable, and quick to install. FSTpipe super aluminum alloy pipeline. Before using the product, check the identification label and confirm all accessories are involved. FSTpipe aluminum alloy piping is easy and convenient to cut and install and does not need to carry too many tools. For the DN50 to DN200 pipeline series, grooving the pipe as before. Installation method: groove the pipe in advance. Put the grooved pipe mouth in the fitting groove line. Rotate and lock the inner hexagon screw of the upper and lower clamps. It will work safely and successfully within the operating pressure range. The sealing principle is after extrusion. The sealing ring is pressed against the outer surface of the aluminum pipe, elastically deformed, and a strip-shaped sealing surface is formed, so as to achieve the perfect sealing effect. FSTpipe aluminum quick drop. No need to cut pipes for time saving. The innovative drilling method prevents condensed water from entering the equipment through air drop lines. According to the placement of the equipment, a new drop line can be quickly installed by a quick drop. In this way, the installation cost and material cost are more cost-effective than using of reducing T. For the DN20 to DN42 pipeline series, push-and-fit connection is performed. Installation method: lock the ring nut so that the sharp edge of the stainless steel inner part is clamped to the outer surface of the aluminum pipe. To compress the support washer to cause the O-ring to produce elastic deformation, so as to achieve the perfect sealing effect. Traditional pipelines used for a long time will be oxidized and corroded, reducing the airflow and seriously affecting the air quality. Aluminum pipelines used for a long time, there's no secondary pollution, no loss of energy consumption, and still with excellent protection performance. FSTpipe thin-wall stainless steel pipe. FSTpipe thin-wall stainless steel pipe. Fast cutting, no welding, no tapping. For the DN65 to DN300 stainless steel pipeline series, spigot-type connection is performed. Spigot-type connection is to pre-groove in the pipeline and place the groove pipe ending in the fitting groove line. Rotate and lock the inner hexagonal screw of the butt cover. It will work safely and successfully within the operating pressure range. The sealing principle is that the inclined surface of SF304 stainless steel pipe fittings is extruded in contact with the sealing ring so that the sealing ring is elastically deformed to form a strip-shaped sealing surface so as to achieve the perfect sealing effect. First pipe, stainless steel quick drop, similar to aluminum quick drop. Just one time drilling a hole, then can add an air drop line. The biggest advantage of the quick drop is no need to reserve the drop line accessories in advance. The optimal arrangement can be made according to the placement of the equipment. No need to cut the main pipe. Convenient and saving time. For the DN15 to DN50 stainless steel pipeline series, double press connection is performed. Installation method using the special pressing tool to compress the socket part of the pipe fitting so that the cross-section of the socket part presents a hexagonal or polygonal shape. It will work safely and successfully within the operating pressure range. The sealing principle is as follows. After pressing, make the fitting compress the O-ring to reduce elastic deformation, thereby achieving the perfect sealing effect. First pipe has more than 30 branches in China. Pipelines are exported to Europe, South America, Australia, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and other regions of more than 60 countries. We ship products to all the world in an efficient, safe, and reliable manner, ensuring timely and perfect delivery. Ensure that our customers receive top-quality pre-sale, sale, and after-sale service when using First Pipe's product. First Pipe for the world. One world, one First Pipe.